President Donald Trump has just announced a bold initiative that could reshape America's economic future and spark a global financial revolution. This video is everything you need to know about the news, the vision, how it works, insider trading, all the challenges that might happen, and what's next. So stay tuned. On March 2nd, 2025, President Trump announced the establishment of a US strategic crypto reserve. This reserve will include 5 major cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, Cardano, and the goal is to position the United States as the crypto capital of the world and to stop what Trump described as years of corrupt attack by the Biden administration, who was the previous president of the United States. So this announcement actually sent shockwaves through the market. Bitcoin surged past $94,000 while other altcoins like XRP, Solana and Cardano saw gains between 10% and 60%. This is history actually in the making. So what's the big deal here? This initiative comes from Trump's January 2025 executive order directing the creation of National Digital Asset Stockpile. But this time the word strategic crypto reserve was used instead of digital asset stockpile. It's possible that Bitcoin and Ethereum will form the core of the reserve, while XRP, Solana and Cardano might be pushed as cross-border payments for smart contract platforms in the United States. So the United governments already hold about 207 Bitcoins from law enforcement seizures in the past, worth nearly $19 billion today. These holdings could serve as a foundation of the reserve, but there's even more ambitious proposal on the table by Senator Cynthia Lummis, who is suggesting to acquire 200,000 Bitcoins annually for 5 years, and they can use treasury profits or relocating of their gold reserves to fund these purchases. Now, will this happen? I'm not sure, but these are questions we'll likely hear more about in the upcoming White House Crypto Summit on March 7th. And oh, if you guys are wondering about this sweatshirt that I'm wearing today, this is from my startup called getwalletx.com. It's a non-custodial wallet where you don't have to pay any gas fees, but more on that in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. So investment firm VanEck has presented an analysis suggesting that Bitcoin emulation could help offset a substantial portion of US national debt. Like imagine if Bitcoin could appreciate at an annual rate of 25%, so its value could skyrocket to $21 million per Bitcoin by 2049, which is like 25 years from now. And this reserve of 1 million Bitcoin could be worth 21 trillion, which would be around 18% of projected US national debt at that time. The market response has been nothing short of explosive. Bitcoin jumped nearly 15%, Ethereum rose to over 10%, and altcoins like Cardano skyrocketed to more than 60%. So Bitcoin dominance did fall below 60% as those altcoins gained traction. But now could this be the start of alt season, or what some people are saying as the Trump season? We are yet to find out. Now, more importantly, this movement could actually trigger a crypto arms race where other nations may follow the suit to avoid being left behind. So countries like Japan, Russia and China are already exploring their new crypto reserves. In fact, recently on February 2nd, India's Economic Affairs Secretary Ajay Seth told Reuters that India is thinking about its crypto regulations. Currently, India imposes a 30% tax on crypto gains and 1% additional tax on every transaction. But now the government is reopening these discussions on previously paper from 2024. And by March 2025, we could actually see a consultation paper by India's Department of Economic Affairs seeking stakeholder feedback to shape the new regulatory framework for digital assets in India. It will be interesting to see that something so unpredictable can serve as stable reserves asset for a country. I mean, let's not forget El Salvador's experience. It had to, almost abandon its Bitcoin legal tender policy earlier this year due to the financial challenges. Now, there has been some speculations about insider trading during this time. Just one day before Trump's announcement, an unidentified crypto wallet placed a highly leveraged long position on Bitcoin and Ethereum, using $4 million in capital to create a $200 million position with 50x leverage. This trader managed to actually take in $6.8 million in profit within 24 hours. The timing is perfectly aligned with Trump's post on Truth Social, which is his platform on social media. BitcoinNews.com also reported that the whale opened their position at around $85,900 for Bitcoin and $2,200 for Ethereum, just before prices surged following the announcement. And more importantly, the next big thing is just a few days away. So the White House Crypto Summit is on March 7th, and industry leaders will gather to discuss how this reserve will be implemented, regulated, and even governed. We should be watching closely because this isn't just about America anymore. Of course, our India's finance ministry will also be very much interested in the next steps. So long story short, US President Donald Trump's strategic crypto reserve is more than just an economic policy. This initiative is set to redefine how we think about Bitcoin, crypto, digital money, power, and blockchain technology. But that's it for today. And if you guys are interested to check out my project, go to getwalletx.com. It's again a non-custodial wallet which does not require you to pay any gas fees. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next one.